Hi, my name is Stephanie, and I'm from Flint, Michigan, currently residing in Nashville, Tennessee, and I am a cookbook as well as a children's book author. I've been writing for as long as I can remember, but officially I wrote my first cookbook in 2020, and then the following year after that, I wrote my first children's book in 2021. What makes me a unique author, I would have to say, is my ability to put myself in the reader's shoes. So, for instance, as a child, what would I had enjoyed reading? What would I had wanted the characters to look like? Did they resemble me? Did they not? Were they missing teeth too? How can I better, relate to them? And then for someone that's looking for healthier eating habits, like I know I wouldn't want to look at a long list of things to compile to make a great dish. So how better can I make this a easier step, easier process to make everything look good? I think having that compassion and empathy um, to give, I guess, if that's the word I'm looking for, just kind of helps me better connect with my audience and with readers, in my opinion. I am most known for both of my books, Cooking Something Good, which is a vegan cookbook that features over 30 vegan recipes, including alkaline recipes as well. A lot of people don't know this, but let's see, I cook the food, I photograph the pictures after I cook the food, I designed the book, and of course, I wrote the recipes. Little backstory, I was writing this book during the fall months, and so it was around the time where the sun was starting to go down quickly. So I remember just kind of rushing home, beating traffic, just to cook the food and then take the pictures to make sure make sure I had the right photos and the best lighting as possible before, it went down. So the sun went down. So it was something that I wanted to do myself. It was something that I wanted to meet a deadline, and so I kind of pushed myself a lot for this book. And then the Healthy, Yummy, Happy Tummy book. I just felt like I wanted to create something for children that they can kind of go by, like healthy eating, not too over the top because kids are just picky, and so I just wanted something colorful. I wanted a representation of Black children. I wanted them to read it and see it and say, "Hey, this is colorful. This looks like me, and this is food that just ain't half bad. It's not just broccoli. It's not just carrots." The book does include healthy, simple recipes that the whole family can cook with. And so, yeah, I just kind of cooked both of those. I did collaborate with my husband, a phenomenal digital graphic artist. He did the illustration and I wrote the book. So it was just a really just awesome experience for both books. And I wrote both of them during the pandemic, and then also just during a time where it seemed like a lot of people was looking or needing just extra maybe guidance on food, and I wanted to be a part of facilitating that. So I definitely wanted to create both versions, kids and adults, so they can have access to healthier, better ways to eating. And so I would say I did this for all the picky eaters that I've ever come across, including myself, friends that have children, and of course my baby niece. Just all picky eaters as children. Those were the people that I did that for, as well as friends that I know that were looking, and just community that was looking for better ways of eating. My advice to authors is to write. Just do it. Don't think about it. Don't overthink it. Don't overanalyze it. Just write. I don't care how quirky it is, I don't care how stupid you might think it sounds, just write and don't look back. I mean, of course, to edit, but outside of that, just go. And don't worry about it. Like, it is gonna be fine. It's yours. It's your craft. Just go for it and don't stop. That would be my advice. I wrote my children's book in probably an hour and a half. And I was very tickled about that and very proud of myself. So, just do it. Don't waste time, don't procrastinate. Even if you got to wake up in the middle of the night to write something down, just do it. Yes, all the picky eaters. My story for Healthy Yummy Happy Tummy was for all the picky eaters around the globe, but including myself. And like I said, my family, my friends, kids, and then especially my niece. Working with IngramSparks has been phenomenal. When I first started searching for self-publishing platforms, I ran into a few roadblocks. It was very frustrating. So I was truly thankful when I came across IngramSparks. They just had a lot of flexibility. It was an easy flow. I didn't have to be involved in too much, other stuff. It was just really easy to utilize, and I can't thank you all enough um, for helping just make this whole process and my ideas come to life in these type of book forms. Thank you.